let me go up here. It's not, this one's not working for me. So let me go back here to Google and just pick images. Now I'm going to pick, let me see if I can pick this one. I'm going to go over here. Let's pick this one. I'm going to go here and say, save image as, and, okay. And I'm going to save it as a JPEG. So make sure you save it as a JPEG. And I'm saving it to my desktop. Now I'm going to go to Photoshop. Okay. You can see Photoshop, right? File
Yes, I can see
open.
the Photoshop.
Okay. And then go down to the Nike, but I want the JPEG one. Wait, here it is here. And open it. Okay. Now, the easiest thing to do for this one is going to get bigger here, is you want to go to erasers. Okay, so it's over here on the left-hand side is magic eraser tool. Okay, click down on the little corner edge and go to magic go to magic eraser tool. And then just click on the back like that. Okay, it got rid of all the background, but see there's a little bit here in between here. Click on there. And now when you get all these boxes and maybe down here, there's a little bit of stuff going on down here. That one I just might just erase. Cross so it won't show. So this, I'll just erase it down here, go back and forth. Oops, I went in here. Got to be careful with that because it depends on how big the erase there. Okay. Now, I want to see the image size. So you're here, image size, because you're using it as a logo, you know, for the pants. So this is 4 by 3. So maybe I'll make it, I mean, it's going to go down even smaller, but I'll just make it 1 by 1, 1.5 to make it small. Because you can also change it in Illustrator, but you could do it here too. Then do File, Save As. Okay, now here's the key. You want to save it as a GIF, GIF, okay? Nothing else will make it right because it'll bring the background back in. So if I save it as GIF, okay, and then I'm going to save it on desktop and save and just keep saying okay. Okay. Now I'm going to go to Illustrator. Show you my Illustrator. You can see my Illustrator.
Yes, I can see your Illustrator.
Okay, so
You're about to
bam,
open a file.
open. And then now I'm going to find the Nike GIF. So let me go down here.
Mm-hmm.
And I want the GIF here. Open. Okay. Now here it is. Now if I was just to just put it on something, let's for instance here, I'm going to put grab a color. For instance, just do the screen. Okay. And now if I just grab the Nike, now if I put this on, oops. Oh, I know why. is this, I did this first. If I had the green first, so Nike's underneath there. So what I have to do is just keep this highlighted and go to Object, Arrange, and bring to front. And now you see it. So whenever something like does that, because I put Nike first, don't forget in Illustrator that it's always in layers. So the very first thing you did is the bottom layer. The second thing keeps like piling up, you know, like a stack of pancakes. So everything before that came first. So when I brought Nike in, that was the first thing. Then I brought the color in. That's the second thing. So when I put Nike on the color, Nike was underneath first. You know, it was the pancake underneath. So you have to just bring it forwards. And again, you just do object and arrange and bring to front if you want to do that. Okay. And so here you don't have the white. The white's all missing. Now, if I left it as a JPEG or anything else, then you'd get that white box that it had originally. So when you're bringing in any swatches or anything, the thing is you want to right-click, save image as, save it as a JPEG. Then you can bring it in to here, and then you can use it. A lot of times you have to do that clipping mask that I tell you how to do in order to not get it with white going around it, or insert clipping mask. So either way, you can do it that way. Sometimes it just works and you don't get that problem or anything, but you know,